Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Jaguar F-Type versus the Hellcat. We'll dive into their distinct personalities, starting with raw power. The Hellcat is a muscle car icon, delivering over 700 horsepower for thrilling acceleration. In contrast, the F-Type, with up to 575 horsepower, offers a more refined yet potent driving experience. Both are incredibly fast, but they achieve their speed with very different approaches, catering to diverse driving preferences. Next, let's explore their design and driving dynamics. The F-Type embodies sophisticated European styling, with smooth lines and a luxurious interior. It's engineered for agile handling and a connected feel, making it a joy on twisty roads. The Hellcat, however, showcases a bold, muscular American design. Its driving experience is raw and visceral, prioritizing brute force and an exhilarating, powerful ride that truly stands out. Moving inside, we see more differences in their approach to luxury and practicality. The F-Type's interior is a refined, driver-centric space, featuring high-quality materials and advanced infotainment. It's built for two, with a focus on the driving experience. The Hellcat offers a more spacious cabin, often with seating for five, and a robust infotainment system. While still performance-oriented, it provides greater everyday usability and comfort for passengers. Finally, let's consider value and our concluding thoughts. The F-Type generally commands a higher starting price, aligning with its luxury sports car status and premium features. The Hellcat, on the other hand, delivers incredible horsepower and performance for its cost, making it a compelling option for muscle car enthusiasts. Both cars offer unique experiences, so your choice depends on whether you prioritize European elegance or American brute force. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.